Welcome back. Today we are going to be playing some Fortnite. We're going to be playing this. I honestly don't know. And that's what we are doing today. And this is a live stream, so I cannot cut anything out, and I also don't know how to edit, so I'm leaving. I love this game mode! I haven't used Sky Star in like forever. I love this game mode. Oh my goodness. I want to see how many times I cannot die because it's been recorded for 1 minute and I just left the room much faster. And we have half the Smarty Sands. 2 hours out. My favorite time I ever done this, it was at, I think it was at Lazy Lake. I was about to win until pickaxe. I died already? I forgot that stupid fall damage. I hate fall damage. Minigun! I'm at 4 HP and I'm on a roll. And guys, I'm on a roll today. And they upgraded it to a new missing market. And guys, I'll see you in a minute because I have to go to school. I'll be starting in like 5 seconds. I'll be right back. And I'm already okay, guys. I'll see you in a sec. I'll see you in 1 second. Even though I'll see you, you'll see me in 1 second. I'll see you in 7 hours. Guys, like honestly, you know how it's been like a second for you? I had to go. I've been at not for me. It's been, I don't know, like 6 hours since I last saw you guys. But it's only been like, I don't know, 1 second since you've seen me. So guys, I'll see you in a match. Go, 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 go.
No fighting.
Maybe next time I'll see you guys. And at least I gotta. At least I got 8 gold from one. That person got his first kill. I still have a mythic scar, which is probably the best scar. If there's ever an exotic scar, this can be the new best.
Okay, well, you just took medicine, so hopefully you're
I knew there was a person in that flipping bush. I'm also drinking something, but I'm gonna play. I killed that person the second I died. Wow. That's how I found that fish.
Alright, I'm not going to do that long.
I'm gonna to go back to that bush, guys? This is actually one of my favorite game modes, even though I don't know the title. Bush fight. I got a golden boom boom. Next, I'm back to Mythic. Back to Mythic. Killed Yao. I'm never gonna get a kill with this weapon. I remember last season when I played. Oh, I don't even know how to kill that guy, but did I kill that guy already? Well, oh, that's way not fair. At least I got a better weapon. That's easier to kill with. Why am I whispering? There's so many people in this flipping booth. There's that fishman again. Yes, that bush got destroyed. There's no one get camped in that bush. Here's that bush part that has the speed, and everybody loves it. I killed myself. I never knew the recycle was in this game. You know, you could with the recycle, you could vacuum people up. Next, I get to recycle. Oh, I'm in 9th place. Or no, well, I don't know. Honestly, no, I'm in 4. Yep, I'm in 3rd place. If you guys played in Demando's Bounty, you gotta tell me. That game was pretty fun. I keep forgetting I cannot aim with the recycler. So I just gotta shoot crazy like a crazy baby. I can just infinitely shoot. I'm sure the bulliest thing ever. Well, there's that Mr. Fish that I was about to kill. What? I thought I died! Once I shoot, but he didn't die from me. Why is everybody dying? What? But I'm about to kill them, but they don't kill me. I'm now in 4th. Come on, kill that fish. I wish I got rid of the recycle. Yikes. What? That guy was 1 tap! Huh. Now I'm in 3rd place at least. I think I just passed that guy. That guy's definitely losing. It's a mechanical bow. That's not bad. But it's not good either. A mechanical bow is not bad, but not good either. I get to get one of my favorite weapons. Now, at least I've lost one of my favorite weapons. Let's actually get that zip line leads you all the way to the top, baby. My goodness. Fortnite, if you don't know, I think you should update the game a little. Like this game, because like the bow, then mythic, golden, then mythic. It should be mythic and golden always. That was a headshot. On my least pretty good. I'm in second place. That guy still killed me. I think he hit one of the people in front of me. I'm ahead of this person, though. Oh, but that person's ahead of me. That person's on harpoon? Well, I'm on dualies. Oh, and two, no. The safest spot is now on the zipline. That person did not kill me then. What? How's that person all the way in that weapon? Oh my goodness. And I have to... This is only two. Got y'all. I haven't used attack in so long. I honestly really miss these. If at Fortnite, I know you're probably not watching this video. At least I didn't even get a jump down and that guy. I'm almost on green. But someone moved up. I'm not used to using attack. Oh, come on. I'm not used to using attack. This is totally not fair because half these puppets are banned. I think for me, attack haven't been banned. Wow, that was the easiest kill honestly, one of the easiest kills I ever got. That person has no idea I'm right here. That person has no idea. Well, that person knows I'm here. Because I still was killed by accident. I thought... There's that fishy! We picked